Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your trusted source for the latest in two-wheelers. Today, we are talking about the highly anticipated 2025 Jio electric cycle, a budget-friendly and eco-friendly ride designed for urban commuters. Let's explore its design, features, performance, and expected price. Sleek and lightweight design. The Jio electric cycle is built for convenience and style. With a lightweight yet durable frame, ergonomic seating, and an aerodynamic structure, it ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The cycle is expected to come in multiple color options, appealing to students, professionals, and fitness enthusiasts alike. Smart features and connectivity. Jio's entry into the electric cycle market means smart connectivity features, such as a digital display, GPS tracking, and smartphone integration. Users can check battery levels, speed, and distance covered in real time, making everyday commuting smarter and more efficient. Efficient battery and performance. Powered by a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Jio electric cycle is expected to offer a range of 40 to 70 kilometers per charge. It will likely support pedal assist and full electric modes, giving riders flexibility in how they travel. Fast charging capabilities could allow for a full charge in just 2 to 3 hours, making it ideal for daily use. Affordable and eco-friendly mobility. Jio aims to make electric mobility accessible to all, and the expected price range is between 20,000 to 35,000 Indian rupees. This competitive pricing could make it one of the most affordable e-cycles in India, further promoting green transportation. Expected launch and final thoughts. The 2025 Jio electric cycle is expected to launch by mid-2025, and if Jio follows its trend of disruptive pricing, it could revolutionize the e-cycle market. With smart features, great battery life, and affordability, it's a strong contender for anyone looking for a cost-effective, eco-friendly commuting option. Would you buy the Jio electric cycle? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to BikeZone Pro for more exciting updates on upcoming two-wheelers.